If your air conditioning develops a fault, the wired controller shows it on the screen, right where the temperature normally is. If there is more than one fault at a time, the codes come up one after another, on a loop. Here they all are, exactly as the manufacturer's manual lists them. This is so you know what your unit is telling you. There is nothing to touch. With the code in front of us, call and we already know where to start before we leave. This video covers the 41 codes for the VRF debugging codes. Each code has its own timestamp, so you can jump straight to yours. Code C0. According to the manufacturer, communication between indoor unit and outdoor unit and the communication between indoor unit and wired controller have malfunction. Code C1. According to the manufacturer, communication error of expansion board. Code C2. According to the manufacturer, communication error between master control and inverter compressor drive. Code C3. According to the manufacturer, communication error between master control and inverter fan motor drive. Code C4. According to the manufacturer, error of lack of indoor unit. Code C5. According to the manufacturer, alarm of indoor unit project number collision. Code C6. According to the manufacturer, alarm of wrong number of outdoor unit. Code C7. According to the manufacturer, mode exchanger communication error. Code CB. According to the manufacturer, outflow of unit's IP address. Code CC. According to the manufacturer, no master control unit error. Code CD. According to the manufacturer, communication failure between mode exchanger and outdoor unit. Code CE. According to the manufacturer, communication failure between mode exchanger and indoor unit. Code CF. According to the manufacturer, error of multiple master indoor unit. Code CH. According to the manufacturer, rated capacity is too high. Code CJ. According to the manufacturer, system addresses is incompatible. Code CL. According to the manufacturer, rated capacity is too low. Code CN. According to the manufacturer, indoor and outdoor network error of mode exchanger. Code CP. According to the manufacturer, error of multiple master wired controller. Code CU. According to the manufacturer, communication error between indoor unit and remote receiver. Code CY. According to the manufacturer, communication error of no master in mode exchanger. Code U2. According to the manufacturer, outdoor unit capacity code jumper cap setting error. Code U3. According to the manufacturer, phase sequence protection of power supply. Code U4. According to the manufacturer, protection of lack of refrigerant. Code U5. According to the manufacturer, wrong address of compressor drive board. Code U6. According to the manufacturer, valve abnormal alarm. Code U7. According to the manufacturer, grid dread zero response protection. Code U8. According to the manufacturer, indoor unit tube malfunction. Code U9. According to the manufacturer, outdoor unit tube malfunction. Code UA. According to the manufacturer, overvoltage protection of DC bus bar in power grid side. Code UB. According to the manufacturer, protection without shutdown error of thermal storage module. Code UC. According to the manufacturer, master indoor unit is successfully set. Code UD. According to the manufacturer, grid connection driver board error. Code UE. According to the manufacturer, refrigerant charging is ineffective. Code UF. According to the manufacturer, indoor unit identification error of mode exchanger. Code UH. According to the manufacturer, under voltage protection of DC bus bar in power grid side. Code UJ. According to the manufacturer, PV module F0 protection. Code UL. According to the manufacturer, emergency operation DIP switch setting of the compressor is wrong. Code UN. According to the manufacturer, communication error between grid connection driver board and master controller. Code UP. According to the manufacturer, protection shutdown error of thermal storage module. Code UU. According to the manufacturer, electronic expansion valve leak error of thermal storage module. Code UY. According to the manufacturer, PV module overheating protection. And that is all of them. If one of these has come up, you now know what it means. What to do now is switch the unit off and call. Don't leave it running with a warning on the screen. Many of these are protections, and if the unit keeps working under strain, a small fault can turn into a big one. We are Joaquin and Juan, installers in Mallorca since 1998. Heat pumps and underfloor heating, air conditioning, electrical work, plumbing and water treatment. And what we don't do, so there are no surprises, we don't do emergency call-outs. We work by appointment, because we would rather take our time and do the job properly. If your system hasn't been serviced in a while, now is a good time. An annual service prevents most of these warnings. Call us on +34 609 09 8902 or 656 82 7925. Write to info@jslorca.com. Quotes are free and with no obligation.